Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today here I am with uh, pink Kodi Solkadi without tempering, without giving any tadka, and this recipe is of my grandma. So basically whenever she wanted to make Solkadi, she used to just take coconut juice, and then she used to add the Kokum water into this and use some salt, little bit of sugar. So I will show you how to do step by step. So this is Kokum curry or Solkadi without giving tadka. So here is 1 cup of coconut juice which I have removed from coconut. If you want to check my other Solkadi, I will share the link in the description box. So this is like 1 cup of this, and around 10 to 12 you need kokum soaked in warm water. So I need for this 1 cup of kokum water. So I'll take 1 cup of this. It's all nicely soaked, very nicely. So I'm taking 1 cup of this. And I'm adding to this coconut juice. So this is like this. Then in this I'm adding 1 onion sliced, and I have to like this crush this into this. Like in Konkani we say mudun. Okay, so I will add this first, and then I will show you how to do. Now this is her style because she didn't want it any tadka. So here it goes, and then you just do like this. Now we will add our crushed garlic to this, around 10 crushed garlic. So this will go in this. Try this recipe without giving tadka. Then 2 green chilies, 1 green chili finely chopped will go in this. Curry leaves. Then Kashmiri chilies. I've taken around 2 Kashmiri chilies and made small this out of this. So it will go all this. Then I will show you how to crush all together. Then we will add little bit of hing, a pinch of hing to this. Salt to taste. And a little bit of sugar. Now if you don't want sugar, then you can avoid sugar. or you can add gur, that is jaggery or whatever. So around 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so now we will just with your hands mix this, crush this, and enjoy this with rice, boiled rice or normal rice. So this is my grandma's recipe, Clementina Mendonca's recipe. So enjoy this and then garnish it with methi, sukhi methi. You can add coriander, but methi also is good for health. Fenugreek leaves, and here comes your Kokum Solkadi or Kokum curry is ready to serve. Thank you.